M5 versus 458 Italia.
Okay, we're doing BMW M6 Coupe versus Audi R6 Sedan. Second gear with aerodynamic mode on.
About 750, 780.
Aha, and what sort of chip tuning is this? Who's done it?
It's done
Det var bra race tycker jag.
By a friend
Vi
in
var rätt
Denmark.
snälla i
He
starten mot
obviously
varandra
knows
tror jag
what to do.
också.
I hope so.
This is not
Otherwise
just...
we don't get home.
Okej, ja jag vet
I know
inte.
Schmidman
Men nu
is
kör vi
Danish,
stillastående
but
då.
you
Så
don't
kan
have any
jag
Schmidman
får
thing.
räkna på 3 då.
It's just home tuning.
A home tuner, like with he's sitting with his laptop, or but I mean the engine itself. I mean it must be some hardware changed as well.
Only the exhaust, nothing else. Even though it's driving with the standard turbos, it's just the Akrapovic exhaust and the chip tuning, nothing else. So.
And a bit lowered.
And a bit lowered, yeah. That's it.
I mean, how are you performing then? Have you who have you raced today?
I raced the McLaren. The first we got almost even, but the second race he was much faster than I was. Then I raced the E63, the Mercedes. Went well for me. Was much faster than he was.
Now you got more like 100 horsepower extra, I think.
Yeah, about 100. I think 140, something like that. Maybe 150 plus. So, and we did one race with the AMG with the S-Class. It didn't went so well. It was my first race, so I had to get...
Are you wishing for somebody else?
I don't know. I'm just looking around. See? It's just, even if you're slower, the other one is faster. It's fun to see the different cars, like the McLaren, how much faster it is. And so it's fun. It's fun just to be here and race the different cars.
But so this is an M5 from
2013.
2013, and that's the engine. What's the original?
4.4 liter. 4.4 liter with the twin turbo.
So that's the stalwarts of BMW right now. This 4.4 engine.
Yeah, exactly. So it's just it's not done so much, but of course you have an advantage of the turbos. So of course that makes the car very fast compared to the old with the V10. So
Okay, then M6 cool. Versus GTB RS 4.0 in the wet. And from 50, and I will have M dynamic mode on, and I will start from second gear, so the stability control will go in. I will just lower it now instead of having this video. And we're gonna do BMW M6 versus Porsche 911 GTB RS 4.0 of 50 kilometers per hour. And it's second gear and M dynamic mode on. Sounds nice. Cool.